Hi, I'm Ed Reynolds from Field Controls. I'd like to introduce you to our new homeowner and contractor indoor air quality selling tool that's both iPad or Apple and Android capable. And this is our home screen. And in the home screen really highlights that homeowner's area, what the temperature is, what's going on with the weather, what's the quality of the air. Also has an alert on the bottom which tells them the status of their UV light as well as their filter. And it has an ongoing message update with information around indoor air quality and little facts that might be of interest to the homeowner. Here's our menu over here, and what I like about this is either you as the contractor can take the homeowner through this, or the homeowner can actually go through it on their own. And the first is, what is a healthy home?
This is your house.
And we've put together a 5-minute video
and
that
this
really helps
is the
the
Healthy Home
homeowner
System.
understand
It helps your home
their
breathe
system
better.
and what the issues are around
And here's
indoor
why
air
you need
quality.
it.
And it starts to
Just like
position
you, your
our whole
home has to
concept
breathe.
around
It
fresh,
needs fresh air.
clean,
It needs
and
clean
pure
air. And it
with a
needs
totally
pure air.
controlled system. It also starts to position our whole concept around good, better, best, and premium, which provides them options that would be based on their actual needs as well as the potential budget. So that's the first entree in the introduction. Now it becomes more personal, and again, the homeowner can do this on their own, or if you've got this application on an iPad or on a Droid tablet, you can sit down at the kitchen table and you can take them through this and they actually interact. And there's basically 6 questions. 2 questions are centered around ventilation, okay, that's fresh. 2 are centered around particulate capture, that's clean. And 2 are centered around germicidal lamps, which is pure. So basically you take the homeowner through the questions, interface with them, calculate my score, and now we're going out there and my house is not really a happy place. My indoor air quality score, and then along the bottom, if you recall, we were talking about setting up with them good, better, best, and premium. So if I want to see, well, okay, if I go with a good solution, what happens? Well, my house starts to improve and my score goes up. Better, same thing. So it's really interactive with the homeowner. Best, and then premium. Now, if I want to see the detail of the results, I just hit the results tab, and now I've positioned the whole good, better, best, premium, and I've broken it down by what it does, and then the individual product categories: fresh, clean, pure, and control. So I can actually talk through with them. Well, a good solution based on your situation is an air cleaner and a UV light. Now, a better solution, because in our area, for example, we've got 3,700 hours of heating and cooling, I'm making an investment in 2 products that only are going to offer benefit when air is flowing, which is less than half the time. So the heart of the system is the Healthy Home System controller, which is going to ensure airflow year-round. So these devices are going to add value and do their job. They're only going to work when we see airflow. So this becomes a real important piece to the homeowner. If we're in a situation where the house is very tight and it has insufficient fresh air, the best solution is the way to go, and we're adding our fresh air ventilation option. The premium option would be the addition or installation of an ERV or HRV, depending on the customer's requirement. Now, the great neat feature about this is while the contractor is there, he can actually email this to the customer, he can print it, or maybe he waits till he goes back to the shop and he prints it and he attaches it to his proposal. So now we look at system selector. Hey, what's really the right mix for your particular system? So the contractor, while you're at the home, you can sit down with them. They have the ability to track multiple residences, okay? So if they had a vacation home or whatever, they could do that. But for our example, let's just call it Residence 1. Type of system. Let's select package system, central fan, outdoors. Square footage, we'll say 2,500 to 3,000 square feet, and what we'll select here is 4 bedrooms. Set that up, select my system. We've calculated the system, good, better, best, and premium, and we've laid out what that bill of material is. So what does the system contain? And as you can see, again, good, better, best, just like we said before. Good is immediate and a UV air. Better, we add the healthy home system control. Best, we add the fresh air damper. And premium, we add the ERV or HRV depending on the customer's situation. And again, we actually can email this or print it. So we've got a tool that the homeowner can use on their own and use that as a basis to talk to you, or you can take the homeowner through it, actually print this out and use it as part of your proposal. Now, from a contractor perspective, this is something I think is really great, and that is we're registering the system, okay? Notifications and reminders. Change filter, notify. The homeowner can select that it's just the homeowner that's notified, the contractor, or both. So for the first time now, we're tying the homeowner directly to the contractor electronically, to where the contractor is going to get an email that says, hey, you got to come out and change my filter. So one of the things we wanted to do around this whole partnership program is get a tighter relationship between the contractor and the homeowner. Same thing is true for the UV light. So when the lamp and the UV light needs to be changed, the contractor potentially, if the homeowner opts in, is going to get the email. The other thing, and in my opinion this is a first for the contractor, I can now have my contact information on the person's handheld device, including their smartphone. So now my company name, contact information, phone number resides on my customer's phone. So they don't have to think of, gee, was that Ed's air conditioning or whatever. They go right into their phone and there's my contact information. So again, that's one of the things we want to do to tie the contractor to the homeowner and vice versa. So that's a summary of the new app. I want to appreciate you coming by. The app itself is available now. If you go to the iTunes store, type in Field Controls IAQ, or you go to the Android market and type in Field Controls IAQ, you can download it today. It is available, and it can be downloaded to your smartphone or to your tablet device. Again, thanks for stopping by.